Lot number 234 then, the 1958, is the Morgan +4. It's a 4-seater here for you. 2-litre motor, nicely presented example there with its weather equipment as well. And bidding here with me then at 9, 9.5, 10,000 I can say. Here at 10,000. Here at 10,000. Go 11. 10,000 only then. Quality Morgan motoring here then at 10,000 only. Go 11,000 surely then. 10,000 only. 10,000 only. What about you online there? See you waiting there, but at 10,000 only. No further bids than 10,000 only. Well, you surprised me then at 10,000 only. Great quality British Roadster here then at 10,000 only. I'll take a 500 anywhere else. Otherwise at 10,000 then, if you're all done ashore then at 10,000. 10,000. Lot 233 from one Morgan to another. This, the Runabout Deluxe. A little different. 1922, this one. Very rare. Ag engine Morgan Runabout. Superbly restored. Presents wonderfully well. It's just over there to my left. Restored some years ago. Comprehensive history file with it. Minor recommissioning may be required. But there's the car for you. On your screens. Showing there for you then. What should we say for this? For the Morgan. Well, I can start us at 15,000. 15,000 we have. At 15. At 15,000 I have. Telephone's waiting then at 15. 15,000 is the bid, go 16. 15,000 it is. For the Runabout Deluxe then at 15,000. Wonderful little commuter car, surely. 15,000 is the bid. There's the bid at 15. Go 16. It's at 15,000. Wonderful restoration there. £15,000. That's the car. There's the bid. 15,000 it is. 16, thank you. Thought so. 16,000 now. At 16. I have you then at 16,000. That's the bid against my earlier then at 16 now. Telephones come in if you wish. It's 16,000 and that's the bid for now at 16. That's 16. Holding it there for now at 16,000. Then 15,000 is for now. Just a wave, was that, sir? Nearly got yourself a Morgan. 16,000 is the bid. That's 16 then. Were there any more? Are we all done? Telephones? Bids at 16,000 then. You're all done at 16,000. Let it go then at 16,000. All done, all fair at 16. Gabbles up then at 16,000. 16,000. Same as the last there.